friends, today we are going to talk about how to make our own turmeric powder at home. Turmeric is an important spice in our kitchen. Turmeric has several health benefits. I will be making a separate video for this. Now let us discuss about how to make homemade turmeric powder. The turmeric powder which we get in the market is not really as good as what we make at home. Preservatives and adulterants are added in the commercially available turmeric powder. Some of the adulterants used in the turmeric powder are methyl yellow dye, lead oxide, chalk powder and sawdust. We won't get much health benefits from commercially available turmeric powder. Besides, we may get some diseases also from this. To get the actual benefits from turmeric, we must make our own turmeric powder. First, try to get some fresh turmeric roots from some farmers. Sometimes these whole turmeric may be available in the wholesale markets in your area.
Peel off the skin and wash it again. Cook them for 7 to 10 minutes in a covered vessel with little water. When they are half cooked, remove from the stove. When cooled, cut them into tiny pieces. Dry them in hot sun for about 3 to 5 days. See, this turmeric should be like this. You can hear a sound, no? Jill sound. Now it is ready for pounding. You must make sure that it is dried this much. When they are dried enough, you can powder them in a mixie. Sieve the powder once or twice until you get a fine powder. Smell and see how different you feel this from your other powder but is bought from outside. Keep the fresh turmeric powder in an airtight container and keep for your usual use only a little quantity. See what a nice powder we got it now. And what a smell. So nice, so heavenly smell. Now check the quality of the turmeric powder. How do you check the purity of the turmeric powder? You can check it in a simple way at home. Take some water in a transparent glass and add a pinch of turmeric powder and leave it. After 20 minutes, come back and check. If the powder settles down at the bottom of the glass with clear water above, turmeric is pure. Cloudy water indicates possible adulteration. Now think of making turmeric powder at home whenever possible to protect the health of our family members.